already, me myself, I know. Say this election, Obaseki don already lose this election. You understand? Why? Because of Abatobaze. You know, the way Abatobaze talk to people, not be so, my brother. For your advice, you know, say even you control 90% in diaspora. You control 90% in diaspora. Who are those you control with your social media? When they talk lie, they talk different lies. Who and those when they deceive about Obaze? I want to make this video reach your side, because if you I do last time, I don't already tell you, say, man, you no go ever make Obaseki win election. Why? Because of your propaganda, your lies when you dey talk about Obaze. That is the reason why when you say people no go vote for PDP. Why? Because too much of lies is not good. They deceive people, they talk lies, and people they buy to your idea. I only want people not to buy your, not to, all the whole thing when you they talk is lie. PDP have already lose election. It's gone forever because they don't get good example for Edo people. PDP not get good example at all. So for good 4 years now, for good fucking 4 years, they not do anything for Edo State. So who are those you now they deceive? You know? So until not is it not on 19, yeah? On 19 we'll know the winner, we'll know who go lose the election and who go win the election. I don't almost close. Why? Because too much of lies. And if any artist talk, you'll come against that person. Tony Kabaka, the same thing when he talk, because it's not by force to join political party. It's not by force. Politics is by choice. You vote for who you like and who you want. You can't force anybody to vote. If you not vote for PDP, you will come out online be saying nonsense. About Obaze, you are so stupid because you don't know what you do. You don't get sense. You know? And most of people in diaspora, they are also buying your ideology. Why? And for advice to my people in diaspora, you know, when we're there Europe, we don't know what people in Nigeria they face. You understand? So now those who are there in Nigeria, now they know who they face, and now they know who they go vote for. They allowed Abatobaza to deceive you. You know, Abatobaza cannot decide a mind for 20 people. You can imagine. You know, and the only thing is that the reason why when Abatobaza they do all those things, because if they look for your own pocket, for your own interest, now they fight for. It's not fighting for Edo people. So when people say this Abatobaza is fighting for Edo people, it's a lie. Come up online when you go to their group WhatsApp, you see different things where Abatobaza they talk there, they do rubbish there because he need money. Now own interest is not interest of Edo people, for God's sake. Why? Because there's little change. But for now, even that Obaseki called Obaseki is supposed to keep that money for himself because for now he's not. He already lose the election, so there is no need. So more than not buy any idea from Abatobaze anymore. That man they talk lie too much. Most of things where they talk online is a lie. You people should not buy the ideology of this guy. You understand me? Politics, vote for your choice. Until on the 19th, yeah, it already reach. Okay, wetin Akobegin do you when you go come out online? You wanted to stop Akobegin not to play music. So anybody when be say he call Akobegin for music, may they no go, may they no carry him again. For what reason? Why? Because for your own selfishness. My last video that I did, I say go there. When you see him, you see say I don't already know. Say man, this man not go win election. I say if at all he win the election, they go ring him. Why? Because 4 good years, you not do anything. Who you are deceiving? Who are they deceive? You understand me? Election suppose free and fair election whereby you choose your choice. I choose my choice, but not that if I not choose the one you choose, you will come against me. Tony Kabaka talk, una destroy in house. say why you talk, why not join your party. Then this Ayakobegian talk, you come against am, come against Ayakobegian, you come against what is the name of this man again? Owamagbe. You come against everybody. If anybody stand up, you come against those people. So I beg Edo people, not to buy ideology of Abatoba. Until it's almost close, we will know. So please, I use this medium to talk to my friends